So I am someone that really hates paying for YouTube Premium, but I also really hate YouTube ads. So what will I do? Well, I'll show you how to get YouTube Premium for free. So as you can see, look at this. This is the app. The other one is the normal YouTube. So you will need to download a separate app, this premium app, to get the premium for free. You have to sign your account. So as you can see, look at this. Choose your plan. Look at this. $13 a month. Nah. Begin developer account access. Look at that, guys. We're getting it for free. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded app so you can get free YouTube Premium, which means no ads, downloading videos, and watching them offline. So there we go, guys. I'm going to show you how to download this. So first thing we're going to do is go to matrixmods.com. So on this site is a number of modded apps, things that you won't find on the App Store. So type in YouTube and bang, guys, there it is, YouTube. Obviously the YouTube mod that gives you free YouTube Premium. So press download, and now we're going to the last step. So hold your britches. This is easy, but it's downloading 2 apps and following the instructions, otherwise known as the verification. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So don't cry, guys. It's actually not as hard as it sounds. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required for YouTube Premium. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps from the App Store. They're all free. So like Family Island says reach level 10. All right, you want me on level 10? I mean, it might take me a day or two, but if that's not really working with your schedule, you could do Moto Casino, which literally says download the app, search it up, and open it. But bear in mind, I'm in the US. If you're somewhere else, the apps aren't even going to be these apps. They're going to be different ones. So don't get worked up if you see different apps. That's normal. But if you're really confused and you press help, you can watch this video here. But also go to settings and make sure you got background app refresh turned on, because what this does is it makes your device refresh content and stuff. So it's really good to have on while you're trying to download this. So there you go, guys, matrixmods.com. That's the website. So yeah, I hope this video works for you guys. I don't really make videos anymore, but I had to come back and make a video for you guys because this is so awesome.